Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about ALV reports. In the previous lecture, we have seen what is meant by interactive report, difference between classical and interactive report, and different events in interactive report. So let us move towards the agenda. We are going to see what is meant by ALV report and different function modules in ALV report. ALV report is a predefined report format in an SAP which allows different to perform various functions like sorting, arranging, filtering. There are different function modules used in ALV report. So whenever the report contains a column with more than 255 characters in length, in such case the ALV function or ALV report is used. ALV reports can display up to 90 columns or more with various display options. Different function modules used in ALV report are grid display, reuse ALV grid display. It uses to display the ALV data in grid format. Then there is a list display, which is used to display ALV data in list format. Then reuse ALV commentary write. It is used to display top of page, logo, and end of a list. Then there are many more different modules. Let us see a sample ALV report where the data is provided, in which a internal table is been provided with a type of a table with SPFLI. This is an predefined, or we can say a standard table, where a select option select from that standard table into the defined table, which is internal table, and the call function is used, that is reuse ALV grid display. This will display the record into a grid format.